Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Kim at Kim's Custom Garage in Denmark came out with an awesome idea. He put out a challenge to the YouTube content creators community to celebrate the 90th birthday of that classic 1932 Ford. Now, as for me, I've always favored the 32 Vicky, though they're all classics. Stick around, I'll show you what I've got in mind. Okay guys, a little about this build. Kim came up with this, and I think it's an awesome idea. And please, I don't think he would mind if I invited all of you to join in, do a build along, or stuff you can post on Facebook or anywhere to honor that classic 32 Ford. Whether it's the Vicky, the Roadster, the Coupe, it doesn't matter. What an awesome car. Always has been. 32s, street rods have always been a favorite of mine. And again, I've always kind of favored the Vicky. When it's sitting low, and it just makes a mean looking hot rod to me. I want to do, as you see here, an old dirt jalopy, something like this. Good classic car, race car, dirt car. And I remember seeing these years ago, and some in museums around, things like that. Always love these. This is the kit that I want to do. Unfortunately, I don't have this kit. So what I want to do is I'll be going this Saturday, the 19th, to Salisbury, North Carolina, to a model car swap meet. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to find one there. But if I don't, I'll get one on eBay. But that's the direction I want to go right now, and these are just great classics. But if I don't find one, that's okay. I've got something else in a hot rod form that I want to do, and that's this one right here. I've looked this kit over. I found this at the hobby shop the other day. It had been opened, and most of the stuff is off the sprue. And it just really looks good. At first I thought that was painted, but actually that's just the way it came. That's black plastic. But I've always liked the Vicky. I mean, look at that. How do you not like that? That just is cool. And a lot of great stuff there. A couple sets of wheels. Love the engine. It's got the AMT stamp printed tires. Not sure I would use those. We'll see. We'll see. But either way, whether I do the race car or the hot rod, I'm kind of up for this one. And I'll be doing this along with, this is because it's 4 months. I've got one of my drag cars I want to get done for a show theme coming up. And I got another video on that all together separate about show themes and that kind of stuff. But anyway, this is where I want to go. Just want to get my official entry in. This is going to be a fun build. I think it's something that is, I kind of look forward to it because we're going to be honoring a classic, the 32, 90 years old. Wow. Join in with us, jump in, and let's just all have a blast. Well, this is my entry, guys. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks a lot. God bless.